Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today in our 30 side dishes series, let's make a tasty tomato and coconut chutney. It is colorful, vibrant and goes with almost any of the breakfast dishes, be it idli, dosa, upma or even pongal. Especially good for busy mornings when you don't have much time. This chutney has the perfect balance: tangy tomato, creamy coconut and a hint of spice. 1 spoon of this and your dosas will never be the same. Here I have taken half cup of fresh grated coconut, 1 medium size ripe tomato I have chopped, 2 dry red chillies, a quarter or half inch piece of ginger, small piece of tamarind and 2 teaspoons of this roasted gram or putani dal. Now saute everything till the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. The raw smell should go, that is important. See, the tomatoes have become soft and mushy. Now we will remove it from the stove and allow it to cool. Let it cool down completely to room temperature. It has cooled down now. Add it to the blender jar. Add in the grated coconut, roasted gram, small piece of tamarind, and salt to taste. Grind it with a little water into a smooth chutney. Now for that final touch, just heat a teaspoon of oil, add mustard seeds, urad dal, when the dals turn golden, add curry leaves and pour this sizzling tadka over your chutney. Today I have made this aval upma or poha for breakfast. Lovely steaming hot poha, and we will pair it with this and chutney. Just look at that creamy texture and pretty color. This tomato coconut chutney will surely be a family favorite in your home too. This tasty, creamy, tangy chutney can be paired with idli, dosa, upma or even pongal, as I have paired it with this poha or aval upma today. So if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to Gita's Kitchen. And do tune in tomorrow again for our latest episode on the 30 days 30 side dish recipes. Thank you for watching.